Hello friends, God bless you and welcome on today's video. We're in our birthday celebration season and this is a collaboration hosted by Allie from the Glam Elegant Living. And guys, we are the birthday club, and for this season we have our very own Courtney from Anthea's Adventures. So friends, this is Courtney. This is her latest video. She's making a cake from a cardboard box. Yes, she does DIYs. So please go and give her a shout out. Happy birthday. Thank you. Friends, if everyone knows Courtney, her favorite color is purple. So for the queen of this month, here's your throne. Sit back and watch, and I hope you enjoy this. And at the end, guys, I am going to do a Christmas unboxing. So I looked up what is trending in the colors of purple, and I found out that the company called Perri has chosen this very Perri color, which is a touch of purple and a little bit of violet blue. The Perri company has named this the main color of the year 2022. It brings joy and hope in the year ahead. So Courtney, your color is popping in the year of 2022. So I shout out happy birthday to all the kings and the queens that are celebrating birthdays in the winter month. Happy birthday. God bless you. Now here I'm going to show you how to incorporate that very Perri color. Now as you look at this kitchen, would you have considered adding purple as your bar stools at your kitchen island? I don't know about y'all, but I love it. Here is another room, and this is the very Perri color. Friends, you can incorporate this color. You feel the energy, the warmth, the joy from it. It's not overwhelming. It has a softness to the room, a coziness to this room. And if you just want to add some pillows and some throws, you can add that very Perri color, or that purple color, or that lilac color, or that medium color. Purple is coming back in style. Now here I want to show you a so-far salt on wafer. Now many of you may not like this, but you can incorporate some white, soft, cozy pillows on this chair, and it will bring it out. And this is just as beautiful, a beautiful purple, deep purple rug on that beautiful white floor. How many of you love this? I love this color. And being that Miss Courtney does tablescapes, I wanted to share a tablescape with that beautiful purple. And when you go to her channel, you will see how she uses purple in her decor. In this, what brought my attention is the floral arrangement. It's so beautiful how the purple is just coordinate together. It's so well thought of on how they put the centerpiece with all different colors of purple and added some lighting side. It is very elegant, it's soft, it's relaxing, it's comfortable. And I also just wanted to share with her a comforter set I saw in purple. Now, I'm not sure if you will like this, but I love this with that white headboard. And this is just showing the pieces to it. Did y'all know that purple meant royalty? So yes, purple does represent royalty. So this room is fit for royalty. So it doesn't matter what's your favorite color, you can make it fit into your home, into your lifestyle. Friends, don't limit yourself of the beautiful colors that you love. Now, I'm going to share with you my unboxing. This is my Christmas present, and I just wanted to unbox it with you. I finally bought me a circuit machine during the holidays from Michael's when they're having their Black Friday sale, and they still have them on sale. Guys, I got a story to tell you about this machine, but maybe later. So I kind of followed the instructions, but let me tell you something. I had to keep going online, and I found out where my mistakes that I was making, because I was making mistakes to set it up, because it's really easy and you can do it from your phone. It took me over 2 to 3 hours to set this up, and the only reason is because I didn't follow the instructions right. I wanted to really do a craft today, but I have to work on this a little bit more. But I just wanted to unbox my Christmas present that I present to me. And guys, I love it. It is so easy to use after I figured it all out. I got this color, it's like a mint green. At first I bought a peacock deep turquoise blue, and I took it back and switched the color. I didn't open it, and it was so easy to switch it. The management at Michael's, they were so nice and professional. So, be honest with you, I just opened this last night. So, I did get my little test run and tested it. I did a flower and I did this lip. So, I'm just going to have to watch a little more videos to get the help that I need. So, friends, I thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this on today. I thank the birthday club, Miss Allie, for putting this together. I thank all my friends who showed up. And guys, I hope that you go back and watch the playlist. I love you from Penny. Y'all have a blessed day. But remember, y'all too blessed to be stressed. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.